Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Have you ever invested in something, gotten super excited, and then, well, let's just say things changed? Maybe your financial goals shifted, or maybe you just found a different platform you like better. Whatever the reason, you now find yourself wondering, how do I get my money out of Wealthsimple? And more importantly, will it cost me? Context: why fees matter, 0:15 to 1 o'clock. Let's face it, fees can be a real buzzkill when it comes to investing. You work hard for your money, and the last thing you want is to see a chunk of it disappear when you need it most. So, before we dive into the nitty-gritty of Wealthsimple's withdrawal fees, let's talk about why they matter. Think of fees like hidden costs. They can eat into your returns over time, especially if you're making frequent withdrawals. That's why understanding Wealthsimple's withdrawal fee structure is crucial for making informed decisions about your investment strategy. The good news: standard withdrawals are free, 1 to 130. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. The good news is that standard withdrawals from Wealthsimple are completely free. That's right, no hidden charges, no sneaky deductions. As long as you're withdrawing from a non-registered account, TFSA, or RRSP, more on those in a minute, and you're willing to wait a few business days, you can get your hands on your cash without any fees. This is a big plus for Wealthsimple, especially compared to some other investment platforms that charge a flat fee or a percentage per withdrawal. Understanding the waiting game, 1:30 to 2 o'clock. Now, before you get too excited and hit that withdraw button, there's one small caveat. Standard withdrawals through Wealthsimple typically take 1 to 3 business days to reach your bank account. So, if you need your money immediately, this option might not be ideal. But hey, there's always a solution, right? Instant withdrawals, convenience with a cost, 2 to 245. If you absolutely need your money right away, Wealthsimple offers an instant withdrawal option. Here's the catch: this service comes with a 2.5% fee on the total withdrawal amount. That means, if you're pulling out $1,000, you'll be charged $25 for the privilege of having your money instantly. Pro tip: weigh the need for speed, 2:45 to 3 o'clock. So, is the instant withdrawal option worth it? That really depends on your individual circumstances. If you're in a real bind and need the cash immediately, the convenience might outweigh the cost. However, if you can plan ahead and don't mind waiting a few days, the free standard withdrawal is the way to go. Think of it like this: would you rather pay $25 to skip the line at the bank, or would you be happy to wait a few minutes and save the money? Account types and nuances, 3 to 4 o'clock. Now, I mentioned there were a few things to consider when it comes to withdrawals from different account types on Wealthsimple. Let's break it down. Non-registered accounts and TFSAs. These accounts offer the most flexibility when it comes to withdrawals. You can use either the free standard withdrawal or the fee-based instant withdrawal option. RRSPs. With RRSPs, things get a little trickier. While you can still withdraw your money, there are tax implications to consider. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any withdrawals from your RRSP. RESPs and managed accounts. These account types have specific withdrawal rules and restrictions. It's best to check with Wealthsimple directly for details on how to withdraw funds from these accounts. Foreign exchange fees, a hidden cost to watch out for, 4 to 430. Here's another potential fee to be aware of: foreign exchange fees. If you have a USD account on Wealthsimple and you're withdrawing funds in CAD, or vice versa, you'll be charged a foreign exchange fee. This fee can vary depending on the current market rate, so it's always a good idea to check the conversion rate before you initiate your withdrawal.